Since our founding, we have stood with and will always stand with the creators, the shapers, the builders of our world. Known for our scale and expertise, we deliver cutting-edge tools, technologies, and solutions that empower professionals to work smarter, faster, and safer. We believe that any tool's true value lies in the skill of the hands that use it and the value it creates. Together, we form a united force for the tradespeople, the craftsmen, the DIY enthusiasts who refuse to compromise, who always take the extra step, and who believe nothing is impossible. We understand that our mission lies not only in the products we create, but also in what you achieve with them. Because of you, the world's builders, you have created the world and defined our mission. Aeropro will always be by your side on the path of creation.